This is a stockade. See the gaps between the boards? That's how a lot of stockade ends up looking in time. The boards shrink from the sun, leaving a gap. That's why a lot of people prefer the board on board. Let's take a look at this. This is on 2x4s. It's the back side. That's pretty much it. These are 4-inch boards by 1/2 inch.